SSL Faro was a United States-flagged, combination roll-on roll-off and lift-on lift-off cargo ship crewed by U.S. merchant mariners. Built in 1975 by Sun Shipbuilding and Dry Dock Company as Puerto Rico, the vessel was renamed Northern Lights in 1991 and finally, El Faro in 2006. She was lost at sea with all hands on October 1, 2015, after steaming into the center of Hurricane Joaquin. El Faro departed Jacksonville, Florida, bound for Puerto Rico at 8:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 29, 2015, when then Tropical Storm Joaquin was several hundred miles to the east. 2 days later, after Joaquin had become a Category 3 hurricane, the vessel likely encountered swells of 20 to 40 feet and winds over 80 kn as she sailed near the storm's eye. Around 7:30 a.m. on October 1, the ship had taken on water and was listing 15 degrees. The last report from the captain, however, indicated that the crew had contained the flooding. Shortly thereafter, El Faro ceased all communications with shore. On October 2, the 40-year-old ship was declared missing and an extensive search operation was launched by the United States Coast Guard with help from the Air Force, Air National Guard, and Navy. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.